Hello everyone. Imagine that it's 9:30 a.m. and you and your teammates have joined the daily stand-up call, and your manager asks that before we begin, can we welcome our new team member? And he looks at you and says that can you write his name in our team's channel, or you can add him as a member in our channel. So today I have thought, instead of taking a random name to take in the team or something, so today I'm going to pick up some new subscriber who has subscribed to my channel, so I can see some of the subscriber in my analytics uh, dashboard. So I will take that name. Also, someone who is commenting regularly, I will take his name and welcome him to my team. So let me go and share one of my latest subscriber to the team, and let's take him in. So let me share my screen and take his name. And so I hope my screen is visible. So the latest subscriber I was able to view in my analytics section was Bhushan Bhavane. So Bhushan, welcome to the team. I am taking your name. I hope you don't have any problem. So their name is Bhushan. So I have entered his name and I am printing here. Name is Bhushan. So do you notice something here? Like, what is the type of this? It is not a number, not a floating point number, not a true false value, not a boolean value. So it's none other than string. So in this video we are going to learn what is string in Python, string data type. So and how we can create a string in Python. So as usual we can like create a string inside a double quotes or a single quotes also. So let me store some of the more subscriber in my team. So I am storing the double quotes, and let's say suppose Gaurav was my previous subscriber. I was able to view in the analytics. So let me enter his name also in the team. So let me take a variable name as subscriber underscore name, and name subscriber one underscore name, and age Gaurav. So have you imagined, like, it is not a number data type or floating or a boolean data type, it is not a true false, so it is a string. And if you want to see the type of it, so you can see type of subscriber one name, or you can see the type of, let me go and print this, print type, and again print type and name. So let me see. So both is of a string type. So in this way, inside a double quotes we can either create a string or inside a single quotes. And now your manager is asking, let's welcome him, like welcome Bhushan to our team. So I am some of your teammates message like, okay, welcome him. So I am creating again one variable w something, and I am inside this, I in double quotes I am doing a welcome to the team. And again I am checking the type of W. So it is also a string. Now something I want to show, something apostrophe example. Let me create an APOS so apostrophe example. So let's go and create something like some message. Let me give some message here. Message is equal to today's meeting is special, and let me execute this. So I will notice something like I am getting the error. Why? Because after this today, the Python is thinking like my double quotes, single quotes has been closed, but this whole should be enclosed into a, like this whole sentence should be considered as a string. So here we are going to use a double quotes, then only it will display me text as a today's meeting is special, and it is converting into a string. So Control Z and message, and again I will print message. So when you are using a single quotes, when you are writing something and you are using a single quote, so don't forget to enclose into a double quotes. So that's how it will work. Otherwise, if you are enclosing into a single quotes and in between your sentence is there is a single quotes, then it will give me as a error. So keep in mind that. Now something your manager is asking, like the meeting has come to an end and your manager is telling, write the summary of our meeting. So what we have done today. So what we have done, we have welcomed, like let me create summary. Summary is equal to what we have done. First we have welcomed our new subscriber to the team. New subscriber to team. Second, like new subscribers, and second what we have done, we have done welcomed previous subscriber to the team. Subscriber to team. And third what we have done, what we have understood, like we have welcomed him, added, let me here added our new subscriber to team, and second added previous subscriber to the team, and then we have welcome message for the subscriber. So notice here something, we have enclosed all our sentence in a double quotes, but then also we are getting an error. So in this problem, what we have to do, if you want to like insert more than one line, so you have to enclose this in a triple quotes, not one quotes. So what I will do, double quotes, and at last also we have to enclose into triple quotes. So now it will be considered as a string. So now let's go and create a summary of our meeting today. Now let me go and print the type of summary. Print type of summary. So what it will be give? Any answer, like answer this, so that I will take your name in my next video. If you are engaging with me, so I will take your name as an example. I will take you in my team, and later we can do some project also together. So I am planning to do some project on AI, machine learning. So if you are interested, we can connect and do project together. So let's see. So it is of a type of string. So yes, in this way, like you can create a string in Python. So yes, this is all about it today. So I think if you have found this video helpful, then do hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel so that I can take your name in my next video. You can comment your doubts or any suggestion if you want to give, if you are liking this series or not, like if you want videos in Hindi or in English, because I am making this video till now in English. If you want in Hindi, then also you can comment and give me a suggestion. So before closing, like comment your name just for the sake, like I will take your example in my next video. So for the next day, I have a plan to do some arithmetic operators. So I will explain that. So do comment your name and I will take your name as an example in my video. So yes, this is it for today. I hope you have understood everything and will not make mistake when you are like creating a string in Python. So this is it for today. Thank you and have a good day.